Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
My hair.
Your hair blow up.
Yeah.
Mm. What you doing?
Pinching your
Ow.
my nipple.
Always.
Now that is
Ow.
my nipple.
Ow. Last year you say I drink too much. Now you're drinking yourself.
No, that is only one bottle.
Yeah, but I was drinking last year also only one bottle. Already drunk?
No.
No? You want to taste this one? No. What? Which one you have?
Lemon.
It's lemon?
Grass. Lemon grass.
Lemon grass? No. Lemon beer.
Yes, lemon bear.
Sun,
Flavored bear.
Sonic.
Yes.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
The guy.
Inom. Inom.
Teko! Oh, wala ako na puno ng tablet, be! Ma, ako na puno ng cellphone. Alam ko cellphone. Ma, ha? Ay, mo, wala.
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm drinking a beer.
No, you are
See, I'm drinking a beer. And what are you doing?
you're taking video on me.
No.
The reflection. I say myself.
You see yourself
Yeah.
in the reflection? No, I'm not taking video.
No, I see it all. You off that.
I off that. Why?
Because my hair is blow up.
Your hair is blow up.
Yes, I got eyeball.
Oh, your eyes is blow up. I thought only your hair.
I got eyeball.
Mm.
You off that ba?
Okay, I off.
Yeah, it's still long.
No, it's not.
Yes, I see it.
No.
I see it. Don't
No.
lie.
Ow.
You delete that?
Mm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wake me up tomorrow. Around 5.
Around 5, and if I not,
Then I'll be late in my work.
oh, then you tell them it's my fault.
Yes.
Tagay.
Your fault if I late.
Mm.
I spank you.
Mm. Well, that's what you do every day.
Not every, not every day.
Not every day. One time a year only.
Yes, we do that tomorrow.
Oh, in the bakery.
That.
It's a child-friendly video. You cannot do that.
No, it is the bread. You have to do that.
Oh, to the bread. Oh, I thought you'd do it to me.
No, you're bad. Hey, you wash your hand, you mix, and then like that.
How? Oh, like that.
Yeah, you hold the mixing bowl with the wire waist, and you do that. You
Oh.
mix, and then when it's sticky, you pour into the circle or oblong or what kind of the how it say.
Okay,
Design.
but you not do that to me.
You're bad. You're not bread.
Oh, I'm not bread.
Yes.
Mm.
So I need to sleep long tonight.
I think the alcohol is already working. How many you have?
Just one. I did not finish it.
Oh. Are you?
It should
Are
be
you
a
sure?
zero alcohol there. Here.
How much alcohol is there?
3%.
Oh. And then last year you told me it is a lot of alcohol.
Yes, it's a lot because it's 3%.
Only 3.
Should be zero here.
But the last one was last year. It was 0.5%, and then you say that's too much.
Now it's more. Should be 1 or 0.
Mm.
I just opened. I don't know if there's alcohol because you said it.
Ow!
It is lemon.
No, AJ buy that beer for you. You say it's Mama's beer.
No, this is not my bag.
Yes.
It was the same bottle but different
Mm.
taste and color.
Oh,
So it's not.
it's not.
Yes.
Oh. You've been swimming that you still wearing your towel? Here.
No, because I'm not wearing only.
But
My
your
Chloe wearing my jeans, so I don't have jeans, sleeping jeans.
Okay. Tagay.
Yeah.
Tagay. How you say in Dutch?
I don't know. Forgot.
Proost.
Rose. Roll. Roll.
Proost.
Rose.
Proost.
Rose. Inom.
Inom, drink.
Yes, in Bisaya, inom.
Mm.
Tagay in Tagalog.
Mm. Okay, we do it. We start with
Inom.
Tagay.
Tagay.
Inom.
Inom.
Proost.
Drinks.
Cheers. Cheers.
Drink moderately.
With friends.
You up na?
Yes, it's off.
Oh, I see it. Oh.
No.
What?
What? What we eat?
Rice.
Rice with
Adobo.
adobo. Did you make the adobo yourself?
Yes.
Oh. Why you throw the laundry on the floor?
No, I did not. Just pulling.
No, I see you throw the laundry.
No,
Yes.
I'm trying to do. You have not that. You up.
It's not on.
Oh, I still see it myself in the window.
No. The window is lying.
No. See?
See? Nothing in there.
Yeah, I see it. It's it. I'm already finished.
You no. Oh, you already finished.
Yes, in one drink. Then it's finished.
Okay. You drink it all.
Yes.
Oh.
Now I'm going to sleep.
No, we did not eat yet. We need to eat first.
What?
Eat first, then
Yes.
sleep. Or we eat first, then we sleep, then we go to bed.
Yes. We eat, then,
Yeah.
then we're going to bed to sleep.
We eat first, then we sleep, then we go to bed. You and me.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you take after eating? Buang.
We go to bed.
Yes, because I'm going to send the kid also to sleep because they're going to
Oh,
school
the-
tomorrow.
So then we,
And I'm going to work.
you and me can
No,
cha-cha.
no, no.
No cha-cha-cha.
For the whole month.
Hey, that's not fair. Then I'm already back in my country.
Yes, that's better.
That's better. Ow. Okay, I off now, okay?
Let's eat na.
See? It's off.
You lying.
No.
Stop ba?